These are my predictions for A-Level Biology Paper 2, OCRA. Please remember these are only predictions, they will not be 100% correct. Just because I got paper 1 very well does not mean I will get it again in paper 2. Use this only as a guidance to see if you missed anything. So as usual, the way that I analyze this is I look at how many times things have come up. I also look at the marks, even though it doesn't look like I did in here, but I've noted down everything, like little comments here and there as well, and then analyze that on my notebook. So this is what came out every single year. We have cloning and biotechnology, ecosystems, classification and evolution, biodiversity. That came out every single year. Now, cloning and biotechnology has always had one of the biggest marks for the past couple of years. But the problem is, I see that in 2018 and 2019, as well as 2022 and 2023, they had really big marks. And then after that, it kind of just stopped. So I don't think we will have too big of a marks for cloning and biotechnology. The problem is, the time in which it did drop was in the COVID years, 2020 and 2021. But I still don't think there's going to be too much. So I think these are what you're going to get in the order, starting from patterns of inheritance, ecosystems, classification and evolution, manipulating genomes, populations and sustainability, cloning and biotechnology. I think that's the order from like the most marks to one of the least. Obviously, you have a lot more topics than this. I think infectious diseases is going to be quite small this year because last year was very big on immune system or like communicable disease. So I really don't think that they will put too much of that again, but we never know. These exam boards are very mean. So yeah, those are my main predictions. Make sure you go over like biological molecules as well. I think that might come up. One of the things that I think will come up is biological membranes. Whether it's going to be big or small, probably a small amount of marks, just because it came up in 2021, 2019 as like a slightly larger amount, but then after that it was like pretty small all throughout. And we have like that general rule of that 5-year thing, if you guys ever seen that. But yeah, aside from that, all the best. Let me know how it goes. Bye.